All right, everybody, A-0705. It is the 31st of July. Walk through, we've had the company come in and clean today. I hate to even walk in here with boots. I really do. We've left some of the small things. I'm gonna turn that up to 72 because I like 72. This one's taking us a bit. But it has been well worth it. Our FCC guys did a great job cleaning. Can't complain. Restrooms. We had to reach into our pockets a little bit on this one, but it was worth it. These were the original restrooms. They were pretty rough. So sometimes to do the right thing takes a little, but man, it's worth it. So I got a dry floor drain in there. And I've got some touch-up paint. Now, we have a replacement top being made for this, and they're on their way back out to do it. We have a new vendor for our granite. We're feeling them out. Let's just say we're feeling them out. Oops. This was a splayed front that we had for one of the other restrooms that went back to a storage room. And we, instead of just getting rid of it, that's what we used it for. And that worked out perfect for a large conference room. That was an offset. Had that finished. This is the second for the bar area. This is getting replaced. And we have a small private restroom here. That needs to get a mirror put in there. So the guys came in. There's our floor scrubber over there. We have our surplus materials set. And our warehouse has been scrubbed. Our doors are in place. Our operators are operational. The damage to the exterior tilt panels is now being finished up this week. So next week we will have the new seals put on. And with that being said, that'll make the whole outside of this place pop. Look great. Need to get a restroom spot on this, marking it. Another turned out fantastic. Need to get a floor drain cover. Need to repaint this door. Yeah, our restroom's turned out really well. Pretty happy with that. That was my elbow. That did not feel good. This needs to get touched up paint. This was an older restroom where that splayed front was at. We just made this an area for storage. Didn't really need what it was. Everything else is the way it should be. And I really tell you what, I can't complain. This took us a little while, but it really turned out well. So thank you all for the opportunity. By the end of the week, next week, the last of the small details will be complete, and we'll be seeing you all on the next one.